Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add button link in Elementor. As you can see right now I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have just created a section having two columns and one row. And in the first column I have simply added a container and added a background image to that container. Now I'm going to add a button widget in the same container. So how I can do that? For adding a button, you just need to move your cursor on the above black header line on the top and click on plus icon, the add element icon, and here you just need to search for button widget in the left side toolbar, and then simply drag and drop your button into the container. Okay, so button is over there. Right now, as we are going to discuss how to add button link, right? So whenever you want to edit this button, you can simply click on the pen icon on the top right corner of the button. When you move your cursor over the button, then automatically pen icon appears in front of you. You can simply click on that, and in left side toolbar you can go to the content setting, and here you can also change the CTA text. For example, I want to add shop now, and in the link you can simply type whatever the link of your shop page or like a product page or any other specific web page of your website or external website. For example, I have added the shop web page link over here on this button. So this is how you can simply add button link in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog, read articles related to Elementor, and watch video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.